Hi everyone, welcome back to the Reclaimed Ranch. My name is Tara, and I have to apologize for not getting this video up yesterday. Had some internet problems and wasn't able to download, so I'm going to do it this morning. And I just have a couple of quick and fun little projects today. I've been doing an overhaul in my booth, and so that's taken up a lot of my time recently. But now that that's done, I can focus more on projects. So today we're going to be making these cute little picture hangers, and those pictures were from an expired calendar, and I just thought that the artwork was just too beautiful to throw away. Got it from a friend of mine, and so I'm going to make these little sticks to put on the top and bottom. And I just used my miter saw and cut them to the length of the picture, which I think was about 9.5 inches. I'm going to stain it with my antiquing wax, which includes antiquing wax, black paint, and water. And you can stain it to however dark or light you want. And it just colors the wood just a little bit to make it look a little bit more aged. And I'm just going to use my X-Acto knife and my metal ruler there, or angle ruler, to cut it out. And you can use either hot glue, regular glue, but I thought that it would be easy enough, and it's super light. I just used double-sided sticky tape. It was kind of a cheater moment for me, but it worked out really well. And I placed it on the paper, put the wood on there, and then now I'm just going to glue a little piece of jute string to the back side, and there we have it. It's as easy as that. And so this next project, I'm going to make some bookends. I found these resin horse heads at a thrift store for $3. So I thought we could just glue those onto some pieces of wood. And so I'm going to use that antiquing wax again to kind of make the wood a little bit more evenly colored. And then we're going to use the Fusion paint in Cashmere to paint the horse heads. And then I'm going to go over that with some DIY dark wax to bring out all the beautiful details in those resin heads. And so to put them together, I'm just going to use some Titebond wood glue. And the first go around I put the wood glue on, and my battery was dead in my brad nailer, so I had to wait till that charged. But I'm just going to go ahead and glue them, lay them flat down on the back like that, and let them sit for an hour or two. And then we'll go ahead and paint the horse heads. I did 2 coats of cashmere, and I was impatient, so I dried them with my heat gun in between. You got to be real careful with your heat guns. They can actually bubble the paint if you get it too hot. So you can also use a hair dryer. Those work really well. And here's that DIY dark wax. And I went ahead and just covered the entire thing. And then I'm going to use my shop towel to wipe back the excess. I just want that wax and those crevices and details of the horse. And it turns out so pretty. You can see the difference there. And I'm going to hold up the other one too. It makes a big difference. You can see all the details. And then I'm going to use the Titebond Quick and Thick glue to adhere the resin horse heads to the wood. And I let that sit overnight. And now my brad nail's ready. So I'm just going to put a few nails in the back side there. And I do kind of like the outcome of the natural wood color, but I think after looking at them for some time, I'm going to go ahead and paint the wood black. And it's really going to make those horse heads jump out at you. I just think it would make it a little bit more elegant. But there we have it. So just let that sit overnight. And here are those projects. I think they did turn out really well, but I do think being black, it might be just a little bit more of an eye catcher. And look at that beautiful artwork. I couldn't stand throwing that in the garbage. There's just too many gorgeous prints. So I'm going to do it to all of them and then sell them in my booth. So let me know what you guys think. Sorry again for not having a whole lot of projects. Maybe I can get a bonus video up this weekend. We'll see about that. If not, we'll be back next Tuesday. Y'all have a wonderful weekend, and I'll see you then. Bye.